Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of 5-minute morning stretching routine. Today we're going to focus on hip mobility. This flow includes simple yet effective stretches. You can do it on your bed, so let's get started. Sit down with your feet apart with bent knees and slowly bring the knees down, making 90-degree angles with both of your legs, and alternate the movement 4 times on each side. 3, 2, and last one. The next stretch is just like 90-90, but your left feet touches your right knee and lift your hips up. Exhale down and repeat the same movement with the other side, alternating the legs. Repeat the movement 4 times on each side. Do this movement with just your lower body. Do not involve your hand or do not touch the ground for support. Try to do it just your lower body. And the last one from its side. And we are done with this exercise. Now come to 4-point kneeling and lift your left leg with bent knee and rotate your hips out to in 3 times. Make as big circle as you can and then reverse the direction and repeat it 3 times. And now repeat the movement from the other side. Hip rotation from out to in 3 times. And then reverse the direction from in to out. From here, separate your knees, sink your pelvis down, walk your hands forward and flex your foot. Now push your hips back and come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one. We're gonna hold the frog pose for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come out of the pose. Lift your hips up. From here, step your right foot forward and come to half split. We're gonna do the half split to low lunge drill for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the half split for 3, 2, and 1. Now hold the low lunge. 3, 2, and 1. Now repeat with the other side. Half split to low lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Hold the half split for 3, 2, and 1. Now hold the low lunge for 3, 2, and 1. Come out of the pose and we are done here. Great job.